Want Gemini to understand and respond in a different language on your Android phone? In this tutorial, I'll show you the complete setting, including the restart confirmation that actually applies the change. This controls the main language you use and speak with Gemini, and you can change it again whenever you need. Start from your phone's home screen and open the Gemini app. Give it a moment to load, then look in the upper left corner and tap the three-line menu button. The Gemini navigation panel opens with shortcuts such as New Chat, Search Chats, Images, and Library. Look all the way down at the account row along the bottom edge. On its right side, there is a small gear icon. Tap that gear icon to open the Account and Settings panel. This avoids opening any chat and takes you directly toward Gemini's preferences. The Account and Settings panel contains options such as Notifications, Gem Manager, Updates, and Privacy Help Hub. Swipe upward inside this panel to reveal the final group of controls. When the rows labeled Settings, Feedback, and Help appear, tap Settings. This opens the Gemini Settings page, where Gemini keeps its voice, accessibility, language, and assistant controls. Tap Languages. The next page is called Language and Speech. It explains that you can choose a main language for using and speaking to Gemini, and that a second language can be added for speech only. Under Main Language, you can see the current selection. In this example, it is English, United States. Tap that current main language row to open the complete language list. The Add a Language screen shows suggested languages first, followed by the full alphabetical list. The blue highlight and checkmark identify the current choice. For this demonstration, tap Español, Estados Unidos under Suggested Languages. Gemini immediately displays a confirmation saying it needs to restart before you can chat in Spanish. That confirmation is important because simply selecting the row does not finish the process by itself. To apply the change, tap Restart Gemini. The app closes and reopens with the new main language selected. If you were only checking the available choices, you could tap Cancel instead and keep English. To recap, open Gemini, tap the menu button, swipe to Settings, open Languages, tap the current main language, choose the language you want, and confirm Restart Gemini. You can follow the same path later to switch back. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Android tutorials. Thanks for watching.